Hi, I'm Miriam Parham, and I'm the president and co-founder of Florida Voices for Animals, the organization that is the sponsor of this event. And this is our 5th annual Tampa Bay Veg Fest.
We are primarily an animal rights group, and our mission here today with this Veg Fest is to educate people about what is going on with the animals that goes on the food on your plates.
The overall statement that we are making with Tampa Bay Veg Fest is that it's something that anybody can do to be healthier, and I think what we try to do, our message is to make it fun, tasty, and help people be healthier, and to recognize all the ways that you benefit the planet, the environment, the animals, and yourself by adopting a plant-based diet.
Hi, we're Dave and Sherry Orcutt from the Hallelujah Acres Lifestyle Center.
Thank you, Veg Fest, for sponsoring this awesome event. We have met so many like-minded people, and coming here each year has been just such a rewarding experience. So I hope that we keep coming, we support these events, and we just thank you for all the vendors that come here, book writers, authors, everybody that is like-minded. And I think that's so important to spread this message, to eat healthy and to learn how to help our animals, help our communities, and learn how to eat a vegetarian diet that brings health to our body.
Veg Fest is such a positive experience for all that attend. It educates people on the wonderful food that's out there that has no animal ingredients in it. It is all plant-based, it's better for your health, and of course, better for the animals.
If you want more information about Tampa Bay Veg Fest, we have a website, www.tampabayvegfest.org. We also have a very active Facebook page. And if you want information about Florida Voices for Animals, it's www.floridavoicesforanimals.org. And we love to have you get involved. We're always looking for volunteers. So we hope to hear from you. Thanks.